Trying to learn algorithms as a beginner, but everything feels confusing? Like time complexity, sorting, and recursion? In this video, I'll show you how to learn algorithms step by step on Coursera without getting overwhelmed. Also, quick heads up before we start, Coursera Plus is currently discounted to $80 for the full year in a limited time offer, so if you plan to take multiple courses, that can save you a lot. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to master every algorithm at once. Instead, start with one simple goal. Understand the patterns behind common problems, and practice enough that you can recognize what to do. On Coursera, the easiest way to learn algorithms is to follow a structured path instead of jumping around random videos. Start with an introduction to programming if you need it, then move into data structures, and then learn core algorithms like searching and sorting. To make algorithms feel way easier, focus on a few fundamentals that show up everywhere. You want to understand how arrays and linked lists work, how stacks and queues behave, and how trees and graphs are organized. Then when you learn algorithms, things like binary search, sorting, and recursion won't feel random. They'll feel like tools you're choosing for the right situation. Coursera works best when you learn a concept and immediately practice it. So don't just watch lectures. Pause, try the quizzes, do the coding assignments, and repeat the same type of question until you can solve it without looking up the solution. If a topic feels too hard, that usually means you need more practice on one step earlier, like recursion basics or time complexity. You'll know you're improving when you can look at a problem and quickly decide what approach to try. Like when you should use a brute force solution first, when to optimize with binary search, or when a tree or graph is the right structure. If you want to learn algorithms faster, Coursera is one of the easiest places to follow a structured path and actually get certificate progress along the way. And if you're planning to take more than one course, check my link in the description because Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the year for a limited time. Thanks for watching.